Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be playing Minecraft Survival, but I've actually never done this while playing Minecraft Survival. I decided to start with a starting chest just to see what is in it. And it kind of just looks like average stuff, like you got some wood, we got an axe, potato, some food, some tree saplings, salmon, bread mushroom I don't need cocoa beans. I will check the chest itself and the torches, but I don't think I need the seeds or the mushrooms, so yeah. Let's try and go around. Okay. Let's get out of here. How do you tame one of these? Don't you need, like, seeds? Try and get some seeds. Oh, there we go. We got one. I think you need more than one, though, so I'm gonna get a few. Chicken, you. Please just trying to keep the parrot there. 4. I'll get one more. And if that's not enough, then what will be enough? Okay, let's try and tame a parrot right away. There we go. We have a parrot. Okay, that's a good start to a Minecraft series. Does it follow you? Awesome. Wait, can it go on your shoulder? Or no? Ooh, guys, have you heard about a new Minecraft 1.17? Actually, you can have, like, copper ore and stuff, where you can make this new thing called the telescope. I've actually done some researching on it, and it looks pretty fun. Oh, this actually follows you. Awesome. Okay, cool. Can it attack stuff like wolves? Like, can this parrot... Where's my parrot? Can it attack? No, doesn't look like it. Makes sense. Okay, we gotta get sheep for beds. But I'm gonna take that. I'm definitely gonna take this hole. Okay. That's so cool that we tamed a parrot. I've actually never done that. Okay. The parrot's kind of small, so it's kind of hard to see where it is. Like, where are you? Where's the parrot? Hopefully it just didn't die. That's all I care. Okay, let's check out here, because probably have some iron. Oh, 2 creepers. Oh, man. Oh. Get him. Is our parrot okay? I'm freaking out. That spider scared the crap out of me. Oh my gosh. Okay, there has to be iron there, I would think. Like right here. No? Guess we're just not getting lucky today. I'll make some more torches. Nope. Nothing here. Okay. Well, that's fine. Man, I thought the spider was gonna kill me because 2 creepers were there, and I took so much damage from that 1 creeper blowing up, and then the spider came out of nowhere when I thought I was safe and just snook attacked me. Where's my parrot? Oh, my parrot's starting to get annoying. Hopefully it'll just like teleport to me. I'm gonna stop worrying about him and just worry about me. Where did it go? Sorry, chicken. Okay, I'm actually gonna go back for the parrot because the parrot was a good friend. Whoa, hey bud. Okay, let's go. Dang, there are sheep here, but I don't want to kill all the sheep. Sheep, you may live. Maybe not actually, because I just ran out of hunger. Where's the parrot, bro? Okay. Oh, it's right there. Sorry, missed that jump. Missed that jump too. Okay. I know I said I wouldn't kill the sheep, which I didn't. I'm gonna kill those sheep though. That seems fair. You know, don't kill all the sheep, but still kill some sheep. I don't know, I think that seems fair. Respectable. Where's my parrot? Okay, I'm gonna go mining. Everyone's like, don't dig straight down. Well, I argue it's way quicker to find diamonds, am I right? Instead of making a staircase. Ooh, my pickaxe is coming up low though. Okay. Parrot's just chilling up there. Okay, what's that? What am I digging right now? Check my inventory. Ooh, iron. Ugh. Right there is where I'm gonna make my crafting table. Put a crafting table over there. Furnace shall go over there. And I'll cook my iron. And see, like, this is why you dig straight down. You find good stuff. Like, I don't think I'm that dumb. If you watch any pros, they always make staircases. If you watch me, you know to dig straight right down, and that's why people watch me. Actually, nobody watches me, but you know, who cares? At least I have some viewers. Okay, I'm gonna make sticks, so it'll be way quicker with a pickaxe. But I gotta wait for my iron to smelt. I don't want big potato. Cut up my crafting bench. How long does this take? I don't want to make a blast furnace because it's so much iron, but if this takes too slow, I might have to make a blast furnace. But that's like 3 stack. That's like a stack of iron to make a blast furnace. So I probably still won't. We gotta go to level 12. We're at level 37 or 36 or whatever. Because level 12 is where you find diamonds and lava pools and also where you find mobs. So you could die, but you know, it's worth it. It's worth the risk. What the heck? What's hitting me? Oh, a spider. I'm very low.